You've raised the guidance. I see the diagnostic have done very, very well. So you're raising your guidance by 14 to 17% in terms of comparable sales. That's up from 8 to 12%. Is this a conservative guidance uplift, or can we expect a serious re-rating again as the year progresses? Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Thank you very much for the question. First of all, the raise of the guidance on the top line is 5 to 6 percentage points respectively. About 50% of this raise is attributable to antigen testing, more demand from this side. We had initially gave guidance or assumed 300 to 350 million euros of antigen test-related sales volume. Now we expect to see 750 million euro worth of revenue from antigen sales testing. But we're also very satisfied with our core business development, continuing strong growth in the core business of diagnostic as well as imaging with 7%. And when you look more into the details of the guidance raise here, we also raised not only the diagnostic segment guidance, but also the guidance for imaging from former at least 7 to more than 8 now, and also in advanced therapies, our smallest segment, from initially at least 6 to now more than 7. So it's broad-based.
So you talk. Yes, and the actual imaging number comes in, the adjusted EBIT at just under 500 million. That's down 6% on the year. When will you be back at pre-COVID levels in that? And who's showing the fastest recovery? Is it the US, and then Europe will catch up in the same way? Jochen, just roadmap for the market, the speed of the US imaging recovery and the European to come.
Yeah, maybe it sounds a bit counterintuitive when you look at the pandemic evolvement and the countermeasures of the region. But we have seen strong demand throughout the pandemic and also this year from Europe, Middle East and Africa, as well as Asia Pacific. Yeah? We have still seen muted demand coming out of the United States when the pandemic started hitting last year until last quarter. This quarter, we have seen double-digit equipment order increase in all 3 markets, yeah? Europe, Asia Pacific, and the United States, which give us, I would say, a lot of confidence that we will see also the rebound in revenue growth in the United States with the coming quarters, as expected. Yeah?
Well, that's a colossal reinforcing message to the market. Jochen, let's just finish off with the COVID test kits. We know that COVAX is delivering vaccine. Are you in talks with any emerging markets or COVAX countries to deliver the rapid tests?
Well, so far, we have as major customers Central European countries, yeah, Germany, Austria, France, yeah, and here we participate significantly in the self-testing market. In addition, we also received last week the CE mark for layperson testing, yeah, which puts everything in a regulatory framework, which is very, very solid now. Yeah, on the emerging market side, the demand is still not picking up yet, but it might be, or it might create an opportunity for the future.